Water is the most perfect traveler because when it travels, it becomes the path itself. Hey guys, welcome to my video. This is Archie Singh, and today we will be covering all the details you need for one day trip to Dudhsagar Waterfalls. Dudhsagar Waterfalls is among the tallest falls in India with a height of 320 meters. It is a 4-tiered waterfall located on the Mandovi River. It is located in the Bhagwan Mahavir Sanctuary and Mulin National Park. The best season to visit here is from October to March. So we started our trip from Palolem in South Goa, and the distance to falls from here was about 70 kilometers. It took us about 2 hours to reach Kulim. From Kulim, you can either trek to the waterfalls or take a jeep safari via the Bhagwan Mahavir Wildlife Sanctuary. There are multiple paid parkings available here, which charge about $100 for a 4-wheeler. After parking, we headed towards the ticket counter for the safari. One thing which you should keep in mind while planning a trip here is about the timings. The sanctuary gate remains open from 7 am to 4 pm, so do plan your trip between those hours. We totally forgot to check about that, but luckily we got the last jeep to take us before the gates closed. So coming to the charges, jeep or safari ride will cost you 500 per person, and you'll compulsorily have to take life jackets, which will again be 40 rupees per person. Apart from this, at the sanctuary gate, you'll have to pay 100 rupees per person as an entry fee. So all in about 640 rupees per person would be your charging fees. But trust me, this is the price you'll not regret to pay for this experience. One small tip I like to give from our experience is do not forget to carry the cash. We had to pay $100 extra to get the cash from a local out there. You can also book your ride online and get your ride after showing the tickets at the counter. But in this case, don't forget to reach the counter about 15 minutes prior your scheduled ride. After getting into the jeep, we began our adventurous and bumpy ride through the lush green forest. There's also an amazing myth about the falls to which it owes its name. Once there was a beautiful princess who used to have a bath in the lake near the Mandovi River every day. After the bath, she would often drink sweetened milk from a golden jug. Once, having a bath in the lake, she noticed a handsome prince gazing at her. At that moment, she poured the milk from the jug to create a white virtual curtain in front of her, obstructing the view through the crystal clear water of the lake. According to the myth, the milk still cascades down the mountain slope in the honor of princess's virtue.
She's putting all of our cards down on the table, knowing there's no way that you'll be able to win this one.
Enjoying the ride, we reached the parking in about 45 minutes and then had to trek for about 10 more minutes to our way to the waterfall. The trek was simple and beautiful. Another advice from me would be to wear shoes, as you will have to climb up and down some big rocks on your way. Also, do not forget to carry a pair of extra clothing along, because trust me, you will not be able to resist yourself from going into the waters.
She leaves her safe space, wondering if it is forever. I really wanted to get it right, trying to find some balance in my life. I never really put up a fight, and now I'm losing sleep. What if I lost touch? What if I'll never get it right? I try to follow my heart, but I lost it somehow. Wish that someone could say it'll all be okay. Just listen to me as I say. Listen to me as I slow it down. Dreams are yours if you want it. Enjoy the ride, 'cause those ups and those downs is what makes it worth it. Slow it down. Dreams are yours if you want it. Enjoy the ride, 'cause those ups and those downs is what makes it worth it. I never left a stone unturned. Trying to find some love in this crazy world. I felt like I was never hurt. All I wanted was to be loved. Saturday night at the arcade, silver coins in my hand, ready to make some damage. Saturday night at the arcade, silver coins in his hand, ready to make some damage. He wakes up, he gets drunk, and he hides at this day. He wakes up, he gets drunk, and I think I'm the same. All my heroes are dead, and I don't believe in God. Who will save me from myself? My heroes are dead, and I don't believe in God. Who will save me from myself?
Waterfall was gigantic and peaceful at the same time, and stands true to its name. After clicking few pictures, we hurried into the waters. The pond is more than 50 meters deep, and that's where the life jackets come in handy. Also, there are lifeguards present at the spot for safety, so don't be afraid to take a plunge in the waters.
And he hides at this day. He wakes up, he gets drunk, and I think I'm the same. All my heroes are dead, and I don't believe in God. Who will save me from myself? My heroes are
Enjoying a wonderful time in the water, we then headed back to our ride and ended this amazing outing with some great food on our way back home.
all my heroes are dead. All my heroes.
Hope you like this video. To view more such amazing content in future, do like, share and subscribe.